check out this cool build. Oh, wait a minute.
That's right, my engine's blown. So today, and over the next couple weeks, we are going to be doing a full engine rebuild on this 2004 Volvo S60R. Call me stupid, but this actually was the cheapest way to go about things. Let's dive straight in. This is a little keeper that keeps this thing together.
Get that other one out, I mean, it's not great.
And as a background, for those of you not in the S60R community, our 2.5 liter engines have very thin cylinder walls, and if placed under pressure or too much detonation, they will tend to crack, rendering the block useless unless sleeved, which costs thousands of dollars. So instead, I took the 2.3 block with thicker bores.
Those spark plugs deteriorated. New. Old.
You can definitely see where these cylinder walls end up cracking at the end of this because there's like so much less material to work with here.
Crack. Yeah.
If we sleeve these, then it like takes out the problem because it uses part of the deck to strengthen it. But
yeah,
that's like why I would want to sleeve this motor, but instead of swapping to a 2.3. The first step of the process here, as we can see, is we're doing head work, specifically replacing those exhaust valves. The burnt one was on cylinder 3. What I'm doing here is I'm taking all the valves out, removing the lifters, taking out the little keepers that hold the valve in, taking the valve out, replacing it with a new valve, lapping it in, and then replacing the stem seals. All that is happening within the next 5 steps. So this is the stuff, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply it around the edge, and the goal is to basically make this area right here dull to show that you have like actually lapped it. So what we're gonna do, so we wanna get a little, oop, that started to flow out. Important thing is you wanna make sure it stays on this part of the valve because this,
the bevel.
Yeah, because the valve seat is actually going to be where it is
Worn away.
getting lapped in.
That stuff burns off, right?
Oh, so it actually has an abrasive that gets lighter as you go. It acts as both a cleaning and seating agent. If you take it up like that and put it back down, then you kind of reuse those abrasives. And notice as I keep going,
it's sounding smoother now. Scuffed it, got it nice.
Definitely probably has a little more to go, but we're scuffing it up to make a better mating surface.
Yeah, it's doing its
I need to wipe off that compound, but we'll give it a few more shots. Next up in the process, as we can see, David is taking over with the valve lapping, and now Nicholas and I are tearing down the engine to the short block. So we're first having to remove the valve cover and all accessories on the engine, and then we're going to get to the head bolts, which was one of the hardest parts.
Are we trying to not work the head?
Try not to work the block. The head bolts are extremely tight. My impact couldn't even loosen them. So what I'm having to do is hold the block in place while Nicholas goes and uses a breaker bar with the further a pipe on it to lengthen it. And as we can see, that is working very well. I'm getting dragged across the floor in the process.
Damn. Stop calling me an idiot. I don't appreciate it.
Hey, professional idiot.
I'm the one with sweat on my brow.
Yeah. You're the one sliding around on the floor, having fun. I'm trying to get your engine apart here.
Dude, everything from this rubber pipe down will be replaced. This
so
metal pipe will stay, because this is a small piece, but everything from down from here will get
You
replaced.
should still take it off.
Now!
Alright, fine.
I'll be right back at my oil extractor to suck the oil out. Don't do anything!
Okay,
Don't have permission.
sorry, I didn't hear what he said.
God.
You can see how this works. You put it on here, and then you hammer it in. And you basically go into, you hammer it in lightly, you go until, you know, it makes a, until it sounds like it's, oh, let's get that out.
Noah GPT failing.
Noah GPT is malfunctioning because he is
The fade.
The fade, dude. I saw the same shot. I was like, holy
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh.
so.
Oh, damn.
What?
Got the haircut now.
What?
The Noah can't fade.
I like doing that to my mom. She'll get like a beautiful haircut, and she'll like notice anything different. I'll be like, what?
No, what?
Am I Captain Obvious? Wait, what did I say?
Yeah, pretty much.
What did I
Yeah,
say? Pretty much.
Pretty much. You just put it in the engine bay and take it back out.
Yeah, just to undo the bolts.
When my TRX
Brute force.
Here we can see Nicholas and Kaysen have cracked the code to cracking the head bolts.
Watch your nuts, buddy.
And that is using the pillar in the garage to support the head. In hindsight, we should have all worn safety glasses.
Jeez, no, you got the Harbor Freight stuff. Yeah, there's your problem right there. You ain't got no snap-on.
It's snap off.
Yeah. That's what they call Duralast. Well, at least it's not stuck in there. Oh, shit, it's stuck in there.
You can knock that out.
Oh no.
Shit, dude.
We're gonna need a new half-inch space adapter. I mean, that's backyard mechanic number one, though. You gotta have like 5 adapters at least.
Pretty sure that was the one that
Watch your nuts, Noah.
socket's gonna explode in my face. I'm gonna lose an eyeball, dude.
I don't know, I'm thinking that. Don't worry, we're not impacting it.
It's the bar that snaps first, then it's the bolt.
Safety squints. They work until they don't.
They work until the thing has sufficient enough velocity to go through your eyelid.
Get the oil away from here, yeah. I mean, you got an extractor vacuum. I think that's still threaded on there.
Oh, that one?
It's red. It's going in. Oh my god.
Are you screwing them in, dude? Dude.
Sorry, I'm a bit of a can't make it. Hell yeah.
Woo. Oh. Spark plug press. Woo.
We're starting to make progress, eh?
Yep.
Now a new day and working on the intake valves. After lapping in the exhaust valves, I figured it would be a good idea to do the intake ones as well. And what this involves is the same process, except I cleaned the valves up a little bit. You can start undoing your keepers, your brand new Victorine's valve stem seals. Here's our first intake valve. All intake valves are out. Now we're going to start pulling those stem seals. Just got to make sure I get all the way on the bottom. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is lapping in these intake valves. See, kind of shiny here, but we want to make that a nice dull finish. Okay, so what we're going to do is take our valve grinding compound, that is cylinder 1, and on this side, and the other side. Hope I didn't get that backwards. Oh, and I did. Turns out all this is backwards. So let's swap all these. So that's cylinder 1. This is cylinder 5.